Hello everybody, and today we're going to be looking at how to set up a Sharepoint page for your organization or team. So let's get started. So here we are on the Office 365 home screen, and here is all of our apps. If you go through portal.office.com, so you're going to click on Sharepoint. And then you'll come down to this area right here, and you want to click Create Site. Now right here, you'll get a team site or a communication site. Now, one of the best sites I like to use is Team Site, because you can do everything on a communication site basically on a team site. So let's get started with the team site. And here you can set your site name. So I'm just going to pick tutorial. Or test. And for the site description, I'm going to put whatever you want, so just test. And for private settings, I put private, or you can do public. Select English for your language, or whatever else you want, and then press the next button. Then you can add additional owners, or add members, and then click Finish. Now it will bring you to a blank site for you, and we can look down here. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is set up our home screen. So we can click Edit and get started. So you have news right here, and we can look. We have quick links, documents, activity, and news, and we can always add stuff later by pressing this plus at the bottom. You can add a bunch of stuff like embed things and a lot of other things. So let's scroll back up to the top and see this news. So let's just press republish, and I'll tell you how to make a news article. Gonna click the add and then news post, and maybe you want to make a welcome news post. And we're just gonna say, scroll down here, press the plus, and text. Say, it's gonna do text. You can do a button. Website, and then for that you can put a link, say google.com or no SharePoint page. So yeah, and then we can press X, and boom, once we get everything working, you can click on it and it'll be all good once we publish. And other stuff we have is we can embed content, an image, and also put on a file. So that's what we're going to go on to next, is how to create a file. So now what we're going to do is that we're just going to post this real quick, and we can, or save as draft. So let's go home and create a new document, and it'll put it in our documents in the Sharepoint. Or we can go into documents. Might work better. Take you to a kind of a thing that looks like a OneDrive area. We can, let's just say we want to create a Word a Word document outlining the use of this site. So let's just say hello, test, and then we can save. Save as. And you'll see here tutorial test, shared documents, and you can save. And then you just say outline. And once you save that, it's all good. And now when we go over here, and they're both right here, you can go to the home tab. Click on our welcome article. Edit it. And let's just say we want to add a file. Scroll down to file. Probably up here. And just say outline. And we can open it. And it will display our document. So you can do a ton of news articles up here. And another thing that we can go to home and look at some other things we can add. So we have quick links. Let's just say you want to have some links go to some well-used websites. You can say list and there. And we can edit a link and say go to or here or whoops, sorry about that, y'all. Whoops. www. Say open and boom. So now if we press republish and click on it, takes us to the website. And now some other things that we can do is we can go down here and add another thing. Well, let's just say want to add whatever you want. They're pretty easy to set up. So another thing is a survey you can also add. And all of these other tools, you're able, like maybe a Twitter feed of your company, organization. So another thing that we have here is conversations. Make sure you always press republish or save. Whoops. And if you do it 2-click, we'll say that we're still setting up, but it's kind of like a little chat area for the group. And we have documents, notebook for OneDrive, pages, site documents, and recycle bin. So let's go back to documents over here. And this is where I do most things for SharePoint, so you can collaborate on things. So if you want, so see we put this, someone else can go right into there and edit. And if you don't want that to happen, you can just, put it as not to do that. And you can always upload. And the one thing that I like to do is set flows, but there'll be another video on that because it's really big world of flow. And this is also integrated with Microsoft Teams, so you can collaborate with that too. And you see your site contents over here. And pages is where you can see all the site pages for your area. So let's just say we want to make a wiki page. So yeah. Dog. I'll work on it. And here you see you can make a whole bunch of pages. So say a dog, and then we can insert pictures. Say there you can embed things. And we can add things. And it just depends on what your organization has set up. This is Office 365. So it all looks cool. And so we can just leave it. And that's just basically the basics of the SharePoint. And there's a ton of other things too, but what I want you guys to do is go into the comments section and tell me what videos I should do on SharePoint or whatever else on Office 365, because that's what I have. So awesome. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Goodbye.